Good morning. Today we are going to launch Zoya. She's been out about 10 days. We repainted the bottom with anti-fouling paint, polished the hulls. You can see that nice shine in that hull side there. We can see the reflection of the boat behind me. We relabeled her with vinyl. This little drop shadow on that as well. Treated the prop with Prop Speed. It's a silicone-based product that allows the foulings to come off pretty easily. And if nobody was aware, we have this auto prop, which is a self-feathering prop. And while she's out, we greased all the through hulls, or I should say the ball valves. And we cleaned the strainers on the engine and the AC. Cleaned up the keel cooler for the fridge. And another little neat thing I've done is I added some fairing to the through hull where the speed log goes. So it used to be a button that looks kind of like that. Of course, you have a lot of turbulent flow there. And this little paddle wheel that will be inserted and will give a reference to our boat speed through the water. And I always had troubles keeping the numbers on because it gets fouled and you get all kinds of stuff sticking to the boat. So I've now faired it so that it has a little bit smoother laminate flow going across that wheel when we insert it. So hopefully that'll give us more consistent and accurate numbers. But yes, indeed, she's a pretty boat with a lot of shine to her today. Compounded, polished it, waxed it. She came out really gorgeous. So, all right, just waiting for the crane to show. Yeah, Zoya is big, but this machine is huge. Yeah, what a machine. Just drives around with Zoya strapped to her. So cool. After 10 days out on land, here we go, ready to put Zoya back in the ocean. Bunch of maintenance done. Don't normally post stuff like that, but it's so excited to start the 2026 sailing season.